Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today on Firebird Friday, we're doing the sound deadening in the 67 Firebird. Let me show you how to do it two ways. One with this way, which is the Silex. I'm going to use this product here. It has a tar type butyl backing. We're going to put that in first. Then we're going to put down a closed cell foam on top of it to give our carpet something to hold on to and make sure our car is quiet as can be. Well, as quiet as we want it to be. And it doesn't sound like a damn tin can. So with that, let me show you how to install this. Okay. So if you want, Brandon, you can just start unpeeling it and kind of like where I have it sitting. It's kind of where on that side over there. You just pull the backing off of it and set it in. There's a tool for that. They do make this very cool, neat looking tool to roll those in. Of course, everything you need is going to be down in the description with links to everything on Amazon for you. And yes, you will make me a nickel.
How many nickels do we need for all this?
Lots. Just like that.
Oh, okay. Just what I thought you would do.
Yeah. Yeah, don't have to overcomplicate it. Okay. Went ahead and hit just key areas. You don't have to do the entire floor in this stuff. Now I also put some of the doors you can see over there, and of course in here, and of course the ceiling as well. All right, let's put in our next product. Made by the same manufacturer. Obviously there'll be a link down below, but this is foam. And so it's going to go down on top, and then our carpet goes on top of this. So let's fold this out. Let's roll this out, cut it up, and stick it down. All right, I'm going to simply just roll this out. You can kind of see it kind of fits the contour of our 67 Firebird. Make your markings, and then cut it. You're all going to need that razor blade to cut where this pops up. I would stick that part on this hump on your end. Yep. Now's the time we want to put in speaker wire. And we're going to run 2 lengths, giving ourselves plenty of room in the very front for the head unit, running them down to the tunnel here on the sides, and then off to our 2 6x9s when they come in, and then 2 smaller ones for 5 inches in the kick panel over yonder over there. All right, while Brandon puts in the speaker wire, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. It's been a crazy few weekends of trying to crash everything in that we can to get this 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 ready for Firebird Fest in St. Louis. That is May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th. If you want to attend the show yourself, there's a link down below to Firebird Fest. And with that, guys, as you can see, for a couple bucks off Amazon, you can get some sound padding and deadening that will totally transform the way your classic car sounds when you're driving down the road. So much less road noise, so much less of that tinny box sound, and a more solid, comfortable ride in your car. So until next time, be good, guys. We'll catch you then.